3 cereal brands advertise the average number of berries for every cup of whole grain cereal flakes as shown on the table. Each box is the same size. Which company advertises the greatest ratio of berries to every cup of flakes? So in this case, we are looking for the greatest ratio of berries to 1 cup of flakes. In the first table, we have brand A. 1 cup of flakes is 5 berries. Brand B, we have 2 cups of flakes is 6 berries. I want to make that cups of flakes into a 1. If I would do that, I need to divide by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then I want to compare my brand C right here. And again, I want to make the 3 into a 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Whatever I do to one ratio, I need to do the other one. So 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So this becomes 4. And the biggest is brand A. If I were to use the graph, I would have brand A 1 to 5, so up 1 or over 1 for the cups of flakes, and up 5. Okay, and then over to the 2 and up to the 10. There we go. All right, now we're going to go ahead and do brand B. We have over 1, up 3, over 2, up 6, over 3, up to 9, okay. Then finally we have the last one, which is 1 to 4, over 1, up 4, over 2, up 8, over 3, up. Too many for this graph. So the steepest slope, or the most flakes to berries, is the first one, brand A.